Well, we have a new addition to the family. This is the new 550G. You can tell it's brand new. It's all factory. It's real nice. But I am really excited about this thing. And I'd already snatched the side panels off before. I says to myself, Seth, you might as well make a video on this one because it's going to be in a lot of them. So what we're doing, you can tell it's got some leaks here and there, stuff like that. We're going to go through it, clean it. What I'm doing right now, maybe you can see down there, I know it's got some kind of a leak. I think a lot of that's water. We were looking at it on Clay's trailer when we were bringing it off. Just odds and ends. It's missing a couple starter bolts, new lift pump there. But anyway, we're gonna go through it, clean it up, get everything like it ought to be. And it has this massively awesome V-blade on the front, but for some reason they decided to put angle iron down here for a cutting edge. So it's going to be getting some new cutting edge too. And but yeah, just pretty much going through the whole thing. I noticed this, I think they tried to patch a tank after they knocked a hole in it. Looks a little wet with hydraulic fluid, so just some odds and ends to get it a-okay and be ready to be back in the woods. Well, what I was worried was oil all down in the bottom of the tractor. Turns out it was rainwater. That's been draining for about 3 minutes now. Because when I looked down in there from the top, I thought it was oil because I could see my reflection in it, and looks like it's just water. So, awesome. Alright, this right here is one of the reasons why a machine will catch fire and burn. The main oil pan, or skid plate rather, hadn't been off of this thing in God knows how long. You can tell there's an oil leak. Don't write that off as being a terrible oil leak because there was a lot of rainwater had gotten in this tractor. So we're going to go on through it. I just wanted to point out, this is why when you service your tractor, you drop this pan, you clean things out, because if you don't, you may not have a dozer very long. Time for cleaning. Just a little quick before. It's just full of junk. Kind of like Cole the corn star right here. That's got to go. It's got to be clean. All right. Maybe you guys can see. I'm gonna stick it on top of the gooseneck.